folks. Today we're just going to walk through the process of installing and setting up your Withings scale. First things first, you have your Withings scale box here and we're going to open it up. As you can see, really simple packaging. I'm just going to remove this little styrofoam sleeve for the Withings scale. That's a pretty nice looking scale. You have your little Withings URL here, a little digital display. Nice little glass top as well, so it's quite trendy. A few components of the packaging. We have a few user manuals, but we're going to walk you through that process. A USB cable to just synchronize your scale with your Wi-Fi network on your home. You have 4 little pegs that stabilize the scale on a solid surface, so you get the most accurate weight reading. We'll go ahead and install these two in just a moment. This is interesting. We also have a Withings tape measure for your waist, so the patient can use that as well for their own purposes. And we have 4 AAA batteries to power the scale. So here's our scale. First things first, I like to start off by attaching the foot pedals because the scale's not powered at this point, so it just makes it very much easier just to not get any sort of false readings beforehand. So it's really simple. You just pull off this adhesive right there and attach to each one of these little pegs on the 4 corners of the scale. This is a simple process, should only take about 3 to 4 minutes. And then this is really interesting. You might be wondering, where do we install the battery? You just slide this little panel here, so as you can see once more, it's a really flush panel, but you just slide, it comes off, as in my foot peg. There we go. There we go. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you probably can't see this yet, but there is a little reset button that we'll go over in a moment. You can also change your units if you zoom in here really quickly, from kilograms to standard units to pounds. So we're going to be dealing with pounds, so we just want to move that little black knob over all the way to pounds. And as we synchronize, there's a little panel here where you can input your USB cable and connect it to your laptop or computer to synchronize the scale at its very outset. So that's the first portion of the Withings scale setup, and the next steps will be synchronizing this with your laptop. And this is the USB cable, and it would be plugged in there. That's good.